Good morning dear kids. Now in today class we will learn sound of vowel E. Okay, आज हम कौन सा vowel पढ़ेंगे? Vowel E. So here is picture and here is a spelling. Okay, जिससे कि first is net. Which picture of this? This is a picture of net and spelling is N-E-T, net. Now next picture is pen. So what is the spelling of pen? P-E-N, pen. Okay, so P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. Okay. Then what is this? This is number 10. And what is the spelling of 10? T-E-N, 10. Okay. Then this is a picture of web. Web means jal. Okay, and spelling is W-E-B, web. Okay, W-E-B, web. Okay dear kids, web means jal. Okay. Okay dear kids, now let's start our today topic, sound of vowel E. Okay, sound of vowel E. And vowel E sound is A. E का sound क्या होता है? A. So first is bed. Which picture of this? This is bed. Okay, and spelling is B-E-D, bed. B का साउंड क्या है? ब. E का साउंड ए. ब ए बे. D का साउंड है ड. ब ए ड, बेड. ओके, ब में हम ए को ऐड कर देंगे तो बै हो जाएगा एंड इसका साउंड अलग से देंगे हम ड. ब ए ड, बेड. ब अ ब ए ड, बेड. ओके, एंड सेकेंड पिक्चर इज बेल. किसका पिक्चर है ये? बेल का. एंड स्पेलिंग इज B-E-L-L, बेल. ओके, ब का साउंड है ब. ई का साउंड है ए. एल का साउंड है ल. ब ए ल, बैल. ओके, ब ए ल, बैल. So now let's start our written work. B-E-D, bed. B-E-D, bed. B-E-L-L, bell. B-E-L-L, bell. B-E-D, bed. B-E-D, bed. B-E-L-L, bell. B-E-L-L, bell. Okay dear kids, it is completed. Here is your homework. Okay. You will complete both the pages. Okay? Okay, students. Bye bye. Thank you.